Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing because we regularly cover practical solutions to everyday problems. Today, we're tackling a problem that many homeowners face, with bees, also known as carpenter bees. These guys are notorious for damaging wooden structures, and today I'm going to show you, step by step, how to get rid of them. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and leave a comment below. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the affected areas. First things first, you need to locate where the wood bees have built their nests. Look for holes about ½ an inch in diameter in wooden structures like your deck, porch, or eaves. A study by Penn State's College of Agricultural Sciences highlights that carpenter bees prefer untreated, unpainted wood. So these are the spots you'll want to check first. Step 2. Suit up. Before you proceed, make sure to put on your safety gear. Trust me, you don't want any insecticide or boric acid in your eyes. Step 3. Apply insecticide. Buy a specialized insecticide for wood bees from a reputable source. Insert the nozzle into the hole and spray according to the product's instructions. This step is backed up by research from the University of Kentucky's Entomology department, which recommends the use of insecticides as an effective way to kill wood bees. Step 4. Seal the holes. Once you've applied the insecticide, let it sit for a day or two. Then, use a caulking gun to fill the holes with wood putty. Step 5. Paint or stain the wood. After the putty has dried, use a paintbrush to apply paint or wood stain that matches the rest of the wood. This not only camouflages the repair work but also makes the wood less attractive to wood bees, according to the same Penn State study mentioned earlier. Step 6. Apply boric acid. As a preventative measure, apply boric acid powder inside new or existing holes using a hand duster. Boric acid acts as a long-term deterrent and is cited by the National Pesticide Information Center as being effective for controlling various insects, including wood bees. Congratulations, you are now equipped with the knowledge to deal with wood bees effectively. Remember, the problem is common but very solvable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with others, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.